Hi guys, welcome to my channel JK777 Cosmic Tarot. My name is Jyoti and this reading is going to be for Capricorn. This is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. This will be a love reading. In case if I get something else about your career, I will definitely tell you. Okay, now let's see what's coming up for you Capricorns. So let's see what do we have in store for Capricorns. I think this card wants to come out. We have a Five of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, what else? This is an Eight of Wands in reverse. The Fool in reverse. Why am I getting everything in reverse, Capricorn? I'm going to pick up one more card. Okay, now this is the Nine of Cups. Alright, Capricorn, I feel that you guys are going through some difficult phase in your love life. So let me clarify more. That is, yeah, I don't know, I'm sorry to say this. Now please keep in mind guys, this is going to be a general reading. These are not your personal readings. So this is going to be a general reading. This will resonate to most of you but not all of you. So please keep that in mind. For accurate readings, you can always get in touch with me. My website address is mentioned here in the screen. So yeah, so do not try to fit in if this doesn't resonate with you. Okay, Capricorns? Now, Capricorns, I strongly feel that some of you, I think you are in a phase, you are in a difficult phase. Your relationship is getting difficult day by day. And some of you, we have a death here, so definitely some of you, I think I do see endings. Okay, maybe you have just broken up with your person or you are in this process. This relationship is in process of heading towards an end. Now this is for some of you, not for others. I don't know, Capricorn, for some of you I feel that this relationship is, you are in a relationship and you are not happy about it. And you really are not happy. It's like the relationship, the passion, the spark is no more there in this relationship. And you want to break free from all these issues, you know, you just don't want to be in this relationship anymore. Now, yeah, that is the issue here. Maybe you are dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or this could be an Aquarius or a Scorpio. Yeah, this relationship is getting difficult with this person. Now sun signs could be any, not necessary, but these are prominent here, so I'm just telling you the same. Now let me see more about you guys. How does your person feel towards you, Capricorn? How does your partner feel towards you? Let me see. How does your person feel towards you? Justice. We have the Ace of Cups. This person loves you a lot, Capricorn. Whoever this person is, they really want to work this out with you. And yeah, they really love you. I don't think this person is going to let you go so easily. They really love you. There is no two way about it. They are still hoping and wishing that things will get better between both of you. Now this person could be a Libra. This person could be a Gemini. This person could be a Libra or an Aries, Leo, Saggy. They are not willing to give up on this relationship with you. They really love you. This is their energy. I feel, Capricorn, I don't know, you. I feel that you are not happy in this relationship. You want, I don't know, maybe some of you, you're waiting for somebody else. I think there is a crush in your life. Okay, let me see more about your situation, Capricorn. Let me see more about your situation. Let me see more. Let me see more. Okay. I strongly see that there are some secrets that is going to come out. Okay, now this is a general reading. It could be you that is hiding a secret or your person. We have the High Priestess, the Emperor, the Ten of Wands, and the Empress. Yeah, I strongly feel that some of you, I think you guys are holding on to a secret, but I think truth is going to come out, Capricorn. Now, this could be you who is having a secret, or your partner who is having a secret, I don't know. And this could be with the Pisces. Maybe a Pisces is involved in this or something like this. For some of you, I feel that you are in love with an Aries or a Pisces, and some secrets are going to come out. Now, these secrets could be any. I do see that you may, all of a sudden you may get to know some truth, or this could be your person who may tell you the truth. So yeah, it could be both ways because it's a general reading. So some of you may be dealing with a Capricorn. You both may be Capricorns, that could be possible, and one of you is hiding a secret. Yeah, some secrets are being held, and I think this is going to come out soon. This could be from your end or your person's, I don't know. Now there is an Aries involved in this reading. Aries, I think there is somebody, Capricorn, you are in love with. Okay, this person, this is your crush. Okay, and you want things to work. Now this person could be an Aries, Capricorn, or a Pisces. Okay, you really love this person, and maybe you, some of you, you are already involved with this person. So let me see more. We have the Seven of Swords, the Devil. See, I speak about you and all your cards are popping up. We have the High Priestess, we have the Devil. Yeah, I think this relationship is very passionate. Okay, you are in a relationship with somebody which is very passionate. You both love each other too much. I feel, for some of you, I feel that you may end some other relationship to be with this person. Okay, and you really want to get married to this person. There is no doubt. You literally want to get married to this person. This person could be a Taurus, a Capricorn, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Maybe you are leaving this person, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, for a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a Taurus, or a Capricorn. Could be. Now this person could be a Pisces too. So let's see who is coming towards you. Let's see what's the outcome of this entire relationship. Wow, Magician. I think you are going to manifest this person very soon. I told you, you are, some of you are madly in love, and this person could be your crush. I don't know, but this person is coming. Okay, now this person could be a Aries. Strongly, I've got the same card twice. This person could be an Aries you are madly in love with, or this person could be any sun sign, but this person is coming towards you. And I do see some major changes. Scorpio, Capricorns, I do see some major changes in your life, some major changes. And whatever it is, you are going to find peace. You are going to come out of this difficult phase. This change, this transition that you're moving towards, this transition that's happening in your life, you know, this is going to take you to a calmer water, you know, that kind of an energy I pick up. Okay, this is a process. You are in the journey and you're going to reach a better place. And this person, Capricorn, I strongly see that you are in love with somebody and this is a divine relationship. I think some of you, you're already dealing with your soulmate. Okay, somebody who is your twin flame, somebody who is just apt for you. Okay, you are already dealing with this person. Yeah. So let's see what's coming up for singles. Let's see what's coming up for singles. We'll see what's coming up for singles. Capricorn, what's coming up for singles? I think these three cards want to pop out. We have the Knight of Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Cups. My God. Singles, I think a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, it's so strange that some of you, you are ending a relationship with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, you are already in this process. And singles especially, I think you're going to meet a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces again. Okay, there is somebody, either you may propose this person, for some of you it is you who may land up proposing this person, and in the other cases, for the others of you, this person is going to propose to you. And I strongly feel that this person is already there in your life. They are waiting for the right time. This person is already there in your life. This person genuinely loves you. Let's see your current energy, singles. Let's see your current energies. Wow, you are enjoying, singles. It's like you are in a best of phase. You're having fun with your family, friends, etc., etc. And yes, some of you, I think you already like someone. This person is already there in your life. This person, I told you, this person is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Now if you are a masculine energy, you may propose to this person, okay, soon. You are going to propose this female. Now if you are a woman, if you are a feminine energy, then this person, this man, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, is going to propose to you soon. Okay, it's just a matter of time. Okay, I think these two cards, they want to pop out. We have the Four of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles. Yeah, I think this person, for some of you, I feel now this could be you or your partner. There is somebody who has a crush on you. Now it could be you who is focused on work at this moment. Okay, you're not even thinking about a relationship. Some of you, and you are like, and for the others of you, yes, you're holding on to, you're thinking, should I move forward? Should I go ahead and propose this person, or you know how to take it forward? Yeah, I think you are heavily focused on finances and work, Capricorn. This is especially for single. Your focus is work, finances, building a home, you know, and yeah, I do see competition in your life, Capricorns. Now this could be at your workplace, a lot of competition going on, and that is the reason why, you know, you guys are in this energy of you're not paying attention to love at this moment. But yes, I told you, now this person, I think for some of you there is a Scorpio, an Aquarius who is there in your life, or who is going to come towards you soon. Okay, this person may offer you this proposal. Let's see who is coming towards singles. Oh God, okay, I get this. I'm getting two cards. Aquarius, I strongly feel, guys, this is a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius who is coming towards you. Capricorn, if you are single, then a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This person is coming towards you. Alright? Now, this could be either you proposing this person, or this person is going to propose you. I don't know. It is that way. Okay. So, let me see what advice do we have for you, Capricorn. Any advice for you, Capricorn? What advice? What advice do we have for you, Capricorn? Any advice? Let's see what advice do we have for you, Capricorn. Any advice for Capricorn? Now this is for both singles and people who are in a relationship. Let me see what advice do we have for you. Okay, my God, I'm getting two cards over here. I'll pull both. Now the first is Keeper of the Earth and the second is Priestess. The first card is trying to tell you, you are not alone. Your ancient ancestors stand besides you. The second is, how are you being called to step up and lead? This is a Priestess. You know what, Capricorn, these cards are trying to tell you that you have to take a step forward. Now I think you are holding on to something. Okay, there is something that you have to do. I don't know what it is. Now this could be in your personal life, your career, I don't know. So there is something that you are being asked to do. Now what it is, I don't know. So you'll have to focus on your intuition, and you will have to do something. I think you have to lead. That is what I'm getting here. There is something that has to be done, and you have to take the first step. I do see that kind of an energy here. Now for the others of you, the message is, sometimes you feel you are all alone. You feel that you are all alone. You feel disheartened, disappointed, or something like this, or you know, some sort of negative energies You feel that you feel powerless sometimes. Now if that's the case, this card is trying to tell you that you are not alone. Your spirit guides, your angels, all of them are with you. You may not see them, this mother nature, universe, whatever you call, you may not see them, but the divine force is with you. So just be happy, enjoy. Life is too beautiful, Capricorns. Live each day at a time. Live each day at a time. Don't think about future so much. I don't know, some of you, I feel that you're very worried about future. You are not living in the present. You're thinking about future. How will this happen? What do I do? You know, will it happen? Will it not? Worry, worry, worry. I don't think you should be in that energy. Okay, so that is it, Capricorn. I really hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. And also you can stay in touch with me. My Instagram details, my Facebook page, everything is mentioned below in the description box. You can stay connected to me. If you have any queries, you can write it to me there. Okay, so that is it, Capricorn. You take care, guys. Love you all. Bye.